Today, we're gonna be making this super easy and delicious dessert hack. First, I have 1 box of Angel Food cake mix, and we're gonna add that to a bowl. And then we're gonna add 1 1/3 cup of water. I'm gonna be adding this triple sec syrup right here. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of that. And then I've got some orange extract, and we're just gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of that right in there. Y'all, this is gonna be so delicious and it's so easy. And then let's go ahead and just beat all of this up. Wow, look at this. It is really getting nice and fluffy, which is exactly what we are looking for. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. All right, so we're gonna put our egg beater right here to the side. Ooh, look at that, almost stiff peaks there. Whoops. Okay, and then we're gonna take our 9 by 13 pan, and then we're just gonna go ahead and pour that in here. Just like this. Folks, I didn't get it all mixed up, so I'm just gonna, there we go. Some of it didn't get all mixed up, so that's okay. We're just gonna mix it as we get in there. Easy peasy, y'all. This is such a great dessert. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap it on the table just a little bit just to get some of those air bubbles out. Then we're gonna bake this in the oven at 325 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Y'all, look how fluffy this is. Oh my gosh, it is just rising like crazy. This is gonna be so good. While our cake is baking, let's go ahead and do our next step. In a bowl right here, we are gonna add 1 cup of milk. And then we're gonna add 1 can of this sweetened condensed milk right here. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so sticky and sweet for sure. I got it all over my hands, and then let me go wash my hands real quick. And then we're gonna go ahead and whisk this up. That way we can break up all of that sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna incorporate it into our milk. So as soon as you start feeling that break up and the milk is just a little bit thicker because we've incorporated everything, then we're gonna go ahead and add 1 can of evaporated milk right in there.
It looks the same color.
It does look the same color. And we're just gonna get that all incorporated, and then we'll set this to the side. I know it's done because I can kind of push down on it and it doesn't look any gooey at all. I can tell there's no liquid in there. It just kind of sponges right back up. So as soon as you pull this out of the oven, we are gonna go ahead and take our knife. I know it's so beautiful and spongy, but we've gotta do this. So you're just gonna take your knife and go ahead and make some holes in here. Y'all, oh my gosh, this is so perfect. I can hear like the crunch on top. Oh, I am so excited. Just like that. There we go, very good. Now remember that mixture that we made earlier with the evaporated milk? We've got the sweetened condensed milk and then just the regular milk. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour this over the hot cake. Now you have to make sure that you are using the cake when it is hot. Do not let it cool. And we're just gonna pour that right on top. And make sure you get all in the corners. Just getting it all soaked in, y'all. This is what it's gonna look like. This cake is gonna continue to soak up all that liquid. Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. We need to let it cool. All right, so our cake's been cooling about 2 hours right now, and you can see that it has, the liquid has soaked into this cake really well. Now we're gonna take some Cool Whip, and we're just gonna add this right on top. Now, if you guys don't like Cool Whip, let me know in the comments down below. I do have a homemade recipe not Cool Whip, but it's a whipped topping, and it's so delicious. It's really good. So if you're just one of those that doesn't really like the Cool Whip, this Cool Whip taste, let me know and we'll do some more authentic recipes. I almost need 2 of these just to cover this up. We're gonna cut some of this up. I am so excited. We're gonna eat this. Ooh, it's so spongy. And whoa, look at that, it's dripping. Okay guys, let's taste this. Look at all of that liquid that is down there. Y'all, I'm so excited. Now, you could use lemon extract if you liked instead of orange, so just make it to your liking. And if you wanted to, you could just leave out the lemon and orange extract if you wanted to. All right, let's taste it. Y'all, that is so good. The cake is nice and fluffy, and then it is super wet from all the liquid. It is so delicious. Now, this is something you definitely want to keep in the refrigerator, and it will stay good, and I'm telling you, all your guests are going to love it. Well, there you have it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!